Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, in this project we are going to design a logo, and again in the next project again we will design another logo based on a single shape. Yes friend, that's the fun of Illustrator. Using a single shape only you can create different kinds of shapes. So, first of all, no more jabbering, just let's take a look at our project first. So, first of all, we will create that basic shape using the pen tool. So, select the pen tool. Let's create a curve like this, just like this. And let's come here, drag inside just like this. And let's close our path by creating, say, by making say this shape. Okay, now let's reduce its size a little bit just like this, and let's zoom in to work more efficiently. And you can do some changes to your curves if you wish, but I think this is kind of looking fine only. Yep, just few adjustment if you need. Okay, so this is the shape, right? Now using this shape only we will create logo. Yes friend, we are going to design two logos. So first of all, let's select it, alt drag to create another copy. Let's leave it like that. Now let's come here, and first of all we will rotate it just like this. Yep. Now let's go to effect, distort and transform. Click on transform. Let's make 5 copies. So all in all we will be having 6 of this kind of object, right? So 360 divided by 6, it's 60 degree. Let's put here 60. Let's check the preview option. Well, what's this? Looks kind of flower, right? Now the magic is at this key point. Let's try to change it and see. Let's try to change it. See? This is a really cool logo, isn't it? See, how is this? This is also a logo, isn't it? If you wish, you can change the horizontal or the vertical values and see the result. If you want, you can increase the spacing. If you don't want, you can decrease the spacing. See, how cool is this? Just like this. Yup. So just play around with it, and you will create really cool logos. Now let's click on OK. Now it's not enough. Yes friend, let's expand our appearance. Now this is red, right? Now using the direct selection tool, we will select these individual objects and we will provide some different kind of fills. Yes, you can do that. Even what you can do is you can even draw a circle inside, make it pure black. How is this? Let's make it small. Yup, okay. Okay, let's make it white. And let's put a dark background. let's send to back. And now let's zoom in. How is this logo looking now? Okay, guys, so that's it. Here I'm concluding this lecture, or this project, you can say. And in our next project, well, I'm still thinking of doing some change to this one, but it's okay. You got the idea, like how you can create these kind of logos, right? I think you have already seen these kind of logos, and now you know that how you can create these kind of logos, right? And yep, using this one we will create another kind of logo that we will see in our next lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.